Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make paneer, and let's get this particular paneer and let's get into the kitchen. So today in my paneer recipe I have just a simple few ingredients is how of making a cheese, and I have 3.25 milk. Today I'm using 2 liters of milk, and I have some lemon juice, actually lemon concentrated lemon juice, and a pot, and also a cheesecloth. So this is what the basic ingredients that we need to do a paneer. Paneer means is cottage cheese. So let's get into the kitchen how to do it. To begin with, I'm going to pour the milk into the pot. And I'm going to boil this milk in medium flame until it is boiling. Then I will show you what are the next steps. So dear viewers, the milk has been boiled, and so now I'm going to add some lemon juice, about few tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll close this for at least about 10 to 15 minutes for the milk and the cheese, the whey and the cheese to get separated. Dear viewers, the cheese has already separated well. So now I'm going to transfer it into a cheesecloth. I'm using a cotton cloth, you can use as well, and I'm going to just transfer them to separate the whey and the cheese. And you may see the bottom of the pan like burnt a little bit. Don't worry. All you need to do is just give a quick wash. Don't scrub or anything. Just give a quick rinse. Make sure that all the other cheese and all is been taken off. And then all you need to do, pour some water, dish soap, and also baking soda, and put it in a medium flame for a while, for approximately about 30 minutes or 15 minutes. And after that, take it out and scrub it. We have separated the whey and the cheese, and so now I'm going to bundle it. Squeeze out as much as you can, and then we will wash the cheese. You guys will be wondering how to wash the cheese. It is a rinsing with cold water. I'll show to you over here itself. And with the help of my cameraman, and we will show you how to do it. Dear viewers, this is the whey, and do not throw them. I will show you in my other recipes how to make use of them. So dear viewers, we will be washing the cheese. So this is how we will be washing the cheese. Slowly. You may do this under the running water as well. I'm just showing you for the video, and after this I'll be doing it under the running water. Why we wash the cheese is because to take the lemon sourness. Some of them do use vinegar. I don't really like vinegar, so I'm using lemon. I'm going with the natural stuff. So now I'm going to wash it under the running water. See you later. And now I'm going to bundle it, tie them up, and I will be hanging it for a couple of hours, or maybe about 1 hour at least. So for all the remaining water inside, that it will come out. And voila, that's your paneer that has been made freshly. And with this we can make many other dishes, including rasgulla, the ras malai. I'll be showing you in my next videos and how to make ras malai and rasgulla, and do stay tuned. And this paneer can be used for cooking as well. And all you got to do is just that you got to cut them down and do it exactly like you fry them, and you can cook in many dishes. So I'll be showing you other dishes as well, but for now this is how we make paneer. During Navratri there are many dishes are made out of paneer, and onions and garlics are not used during this time. There are list of ingredients that can be used and cannot be used. So I'll be using the ingredients that cannot be, I'll be using the ingredients that can be used for this. Alright, so see you in my next video. Do subscribe, share the video to everyone. Happy Navratri, and for all my Hindu friends, and let's like all those who celebrate Navratri, there's a slogan for it. They call it Jai Mataji. See you, bye.